Hello, taco lovers! Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Mexican tacos. Tacos are a beloved dish worldwide. They are famous for their amazing flavors and endless possibilities. Tacos are like blank canvases for your creativity. You can fill them with your favorite ingredients. From savory meats to fresh vegetables, the options are endless. Get ready for a culinary adventure as we learn to make authentic Mexican tacos at home. Let's gather all our ingredients and get started. Before we begin our taco making journey, let's gather our essential ingredients. The foundation of any great taco starts with the freshest produce and quality staples. You'll need some basic items to create these flavorful treats. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in building the perfect taco. First, we need corn tortillas. These are the base of our tacos and should be fresh and pliable. Corn tortillas are the heart of a true Mexican taco. Warming them on a skillet enhances their flavor and texture. They provide a slightly sweet and earthy flavor that complements the fillings perfectly. The warmth and slight char add depth to each bite. Next, let's talk about the star of the show, the meat. The choice of meat can vary widely depending on your preference. You can use various meats for your tacos like seasoned ground beef, which is a classic choice and easy to prepare. Chicken, which offers a lighter option, or even fish for a coastal twist. Each type of meat brings its own unique flavor and texture to the taco. Don't forget the toppings. Fresh cilantro, diced onions, and a squeeze of lime juice are classic additions. These toppings add brightness and a burst of flavor. These simple ingredients add a burst of freshness that balances the richness of the meat. The combination of textures and flavors creates a harmonious and delicious taco experience. Now let's cook our meat. For this example, we'll use seasoned ground beef, a popular choice for tacos. Heat a little oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the ground beef and cook until it's browned on all sides. While the meat cooks, sprinkle in your favorite taco seasoning. You can use a pre-made blend or create your own using spices like cumin, chili powder, and paprika. Once the meat is cooked through and seasoned to perfection, remove it from the heat. It's time to prepare our tortillas. Section 4. Warming up the tortillas. Warming tortillas is essential for making delicious tacos. It makes them soft, pliable, and ready to hold your fillings. You can warm tortillas directly over an open gas flame for an authentic touch. Heat them for a few seconds on each side until they puff up slightly. If you don't have a gas stove, you can warm your tortillas in a dry skillet over medium heat. Heat them for about 30 seconds per side or until they're warm and flexible. Once your tortillas are warmed, it's time to assemble our tacos. Section 5. Taco Toppings. The Flavor Fiesta. Welcome to the ultimate guide to making your tacos burst with flavor. Now comes the fun part, adding the toppings. This is where you can truly make your tacos your own. Tacos are all about customization, so feel free to get creative with your choices. The possibilities are endless, and each topping brings its own unique taste and texture. In addition to the classic cilantro, onions, and lime, many other toppings can enhance your tacos. Salsa is a must-have. It adds a burst of freshness and a kick of spice. Choose from various options like salsa verde, salsa roja, or pico de gallo. Each type of salsa offers a different flavor profile, from tangy to smoky to sweet. Cheese is another popular topping. Crumbled queso fresco, shredded cheddar, or Monterey Jack cheese all add a delicious creamy element. The melted cheese can make your tacos even more irresistible. Monterey Jack cheese, with its mild flavor, complements the other ingredients perfectly, while cheddar adds a sharp, tangy note. You can also add diced tomatoes, sliced avocados, or pickled jalapenos for extra flavor and texture. Tomatoes add juiciness, while avocados bring a creamy richness. Pickled jalapenos provide a tangy, spicy crunch that can elevate your taco experience. Don't be afraid to mix and match to find your perfect combination. Section 6. Building your perfect taco. Now that we have all our components ready, it's time to build our perfect tacos. This is where the magic happens, and you get to be as creative as you want. Take a warm tortilla and spoon a generous portion of your cooked meat into the center. Whether you prefer beef, chicken, pork, or a vegetarian option, make sure it's seasoned to perfection. Next, add your desired toppings. The beauty of tacos is in their versatility. You can go traditional with lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese, or get adventurous with pickled onions, radishes, or even some grilled pineapple. Sprinkle on some fresh cilantro and diced onions, which add a burst of freshness and a bit of crunch to each bite. Then drizzle with your favorite salsa. Whether it's a spicy red salsa, a tangy green salsa, or a smoky chipotle, this will add a layer of flavor that ties everything together. If you like cheese, sprinkle some on top while the meat is still warm so it melts slightly. This creates a creamy texture that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Don't forget a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten all the flavors. The acidity of the lime cuts through the richness of the meat and cheese, making each bite more balanced and delicious. Repeat this process with the remaining tortillas and fillings until you have a beautiful plate of tacos ready to enjoy. Each taco is a little masterpiece, reflecting your personal taste and creativity. Enjoy your culinary creation with friends and family, and savor every bite. Section 7. Taco time. Enjoy your creation. Congratulations, you've made delicious, authentic Mexican tacos at home. Now it's time to savor your creation. Grab your tacos, gather your loved ones, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. These handheld delights will surely satisfy your taste buds. Making tacos at home is easier than you think. It's a fun and rewarding experience that allows you to customize your meal to your liking. So, gather your ingredients, put on your chef's hat, and embark on a culinary adventure to create the best tacos you've ever tasted. Buen provecho!